Hey all, this is Vineet from SNS Institution. So today we are going to discuss a very important topic called analytics in digital marketing. So now let us ask you a simple question. When you open Instagram, YouTube, or like everything social medias that you use in regular life, have you noticed that contents and advertisements showed to you are like usually related to your interest? Yes or no? So we watch everything regularly, right? Um, we watch reels, we watch particular products inside our social medias, everything. But have you ever noticed that it is the product which you have seen in Amazon, the product which you see in Flipkart, or like the product which you see in any other websites that you use to buy products are reflecting in your social medias? It is quite interesting, right? Like the analytics helps business to collect your data and study the customer's idea. It helps the companies to understand, it makes them like more clear, like what is the customer behavior, what is their interest, what is their preferences, what trend are they following. Every data are collected, everything is like being collected. So in digital marketing, data is extremely important because every customer's action online is an information. Am I right? Without the information we can not even do anything. So, for example, let me tell you what product customer search for, which advertisements they click, how time they spend, like how much of time they spend on website, and what they purchase online. Everything is a major input for us to know. Why? Because according to your purchase history, your suggestions will be given, and that is what we called it as personalization. The products which is showing on your mobile phone will not be shown on my mobile phone. The product which have been shown on your social medias will not be shown on my social medias. Why? Because is you do have your own preferences, I do have my own preferences. So on that time, the products which I'm searching on like Google or like any other search engine platforms, everything will be connected with my social media. So the medias, the search which I'm doing will be transferring all the data to the social media, so that the social media will push me to buy all those products by showing them frequently on my screens. So I get addicted and I get fond of the products when it is like continuously rolling on my eyes. So definitely I'll buy that product, right? Definitely I'll be like forced to buy that product without my knowledge itself. I would have some interest in it, but all these things, data is like which have is being collected, will make us to buy, or like it is always on the market to know about what should be feeded on you. And that is how it goes. Like company like Amazon, Netflix uses analytics to recommend products and movies based on your behavior and your interest. So even the clicks that you spend, even the time that you spend inside the page, even the words that you are using to search, everything matters. Everything matters, so that they can process all those things and create a new way to attract you. It is everything is personalization. Everything is comes under like recommendations, because recommendations are done by personalizations, right? We recommend something unless it is like favorable for us to them, everything. So that is how it works. So understanding the customer behavior. Now, so let us understand how analytics help business study customer behavior. So today, the customers spend a lot of time on websites and social media platforms. So whenever the customer browse a product, like a post or search for information, businesses collect the data. That is very true, and that is very obvious to know about it, right? So analytics help the companies to identify what product is mostly viewed, or like the customer's interest, or like purchase patterns, the browsers browsing behavior that we use. Everything matters, right? Like for example, I'm telling you, if many customers are searching for sports shoes, company understand the sports product is like being in the trend. If we are forcing to buy a school shoe on the trend, you are really a person of mad who cannot even do the business. So we have to think twice which is on the trend. which should be followed now, which pattern should be followed now. Everything matters, everything keeps us, and like keeps us very posted in it, right? So this information helps business creating the personalized marketing campaigns. So the business uses the tools like Google Analytics, Meta Business Ads, and they give us like good benefit, best like better customer targeting and improved customer satisfaction. So we can target, like precisely target our customers, we can improve our customer satisfaction, so it will be more comfortable for us to make everything success. See, think of one situation: if a person is not willing to buy a product and you're forcing them to buy a product, that same product will not give you more efficient in your business. It will not give you more profit in your business. Where if a person is like interested in one thing and you're tempting him to buy the product easily, and you make the deal there. So always keep this, remember. I hope you would have gotten thoughts and ideas about it. Thank you so much.